Ever wondered why your lips deserve as much care as your skin does? Well, lip care in a nutshell is all about keeping those smackers of yours in top-notch condition. This involves moisturizing and shielding them from environmental elements like the sun, wind, and cold. The perks? Well-cared lips not only enhance your aesthetic appeal, but also boost your overall health. So remember, your lips, just like any other part of your skin, deserve all the love and care they can get. The secret behind beautiful lips is a proper care routine and the right products. Lip care isn't just about applying a lip balm. It's a regimen that involves different types of products like balms, scrubs, and oils. A daily routine should include cleansing your lips, moisturizing, and protecting them from environmental factors. Exfoliation is key as well. It should be done at least once a week using gentle lip scrubs or masks. Moisturizing options are aplenty, from natural oils to lip balms and masks. And let's not forget about protection. SPF products shield your lips from the sun, and anti-aging products help maintain their youthfulness. Remember, a good lip care routine is just as important as your daily skincare routine. Did you know that what you eat can affect the health of your lips? Hydration is key, so remember to drink plenty of water. Foods rich in vitamins A, B, and E can also help maintain healthy lips. Now let's talk DIY lip care. You can whip up a natural lip balm at home using simple ingredients like coconut oil, beeswax, and a dash of essential oil for fragrance. With the right diet and homemade lip care products, you can keep your lips looking and feeling their best. Avoid these common lip care mistakes to keep your lips in tip-top shape. Over-exfoliating, skipping SPF, and neglecting hydration can all lead to dry, cracked lips. Opt for gentle exfoliation. Always include SPF and keep those lips hydrated. Knowing what not to do is just as important as knowing what to do when it comes to lip care.